Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar remains on the back foot and at present struggles to regather any renewed momentum to ignite any strong rally beyond 69 cents. Meanwhile, recession fears continue to linger, and that is the fact that the RBA may also be reading the same playbook on rate hikes when it comes to the US, after Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell downplaying the idea that the government pandemic was on the key factor fueling US inflation and instead blamed a coincidence of global issues, that is, including the war in Ukraine. Later today, we've got the RBA Governor Phil Lowe scheduled to speak at 9:30. Looking at the technical aspect though, while we maintain above the 68.45.55 support, I do anticipate from the divergence that we see here, along with that with the MACD, that we could see a rebound from any challenge of 68.45.55 and look towards potentially to 69.45 to 70 cents and reassess from there. The euro was a bit whippy overnight, but nevertheless, I still feel can potentially still rally, and therefore I still hold the view to 106 figure 15 to 106.65. That is while the support holds at 104.70. In light of the pattern though, the market is not backing down, so I feel the bulls will continue to navigate higher for the euro. The dollar-yen case has come a little bit heavier, where the technicals are now playing a little bit more to the downplay. And if we see the challenge of 133.70.90, then we could see a further down test towards 131.5 as a potential target. I still hold the bullish view for sterling as well, even though we've seen a couple of whipsaw price action in the last couple of days. The hammers that support by the Japanese candlestick, along with that with the MACD and also the RSI marrying up to the bull case, eventually should see the challenge up towards 124 figure 15 as a potential target and where this downtrend holds, and reassess from there as we may see a little bit of profit taking come back into play. CAD sterling, well, the market still holds to its gains, and I still like this pattern. Since the key reversal week, the market is holding to its gains and therefore looks now beyond 159.35 and up towards 159.80.90 and reassess. Gold still plays a little bit of a bearish case, as you can see by the technicals, and the close under 1,830, which has prompted a move further now, I believe, to the downside and look towards 1,800 as a potential target and reassess. And wrapping up with oil, the market did attempt to recover and got to around 106 and was clearly rejected. Nevertheless, let's not dismiss any potential bull case at the moment. And now the fact is that we could see the range now 101.40 to 104.50.80 play a very whipsaw price action until we get a little bit more direction. Keep an eye on that top side though, as a clearance of 104.80 could add further momentum and see a rally back to 107 to 109. Well, that wraps it for the week. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the great start to the new weekend.